Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video we're going to find out if the advancement of civilizations really matters. So caveman versus an advanced civilization. So let's just see how much of an advancement, how much of an advantage an advanced technological society is. But there's a twist to this. We're going to give superpower traits to the caveman minority. We're going to separate them in islands. 2 different islands. So it's just basically it. I do believe that this island is so small here for a thriving civilization to actually be advanced. So it just makes us a lot more bigger. Boom. There she is. Okay, time to put let's just put a bunch of trees here. Shower them with all the trees here. I do believe that this is a perfect spot for our civilization to emerge. Let's just put 2 types of civilizations here, just to make sure. We have orc and elves. You're going to be fast forwarding time a little bit here, and we're going to give them infinite resources before we move on to the caveman minority. Infinite resources here, unlimited houses. Okay. So we have 2 thriving civilizations here. Look at that. We're getting to advanced immediately. So we are yet to create the caveman people. Just wait for these civilizations to reach their peak. Basically. It's just getting a little bit too complex here. I might have to remove this dwarven civilization just to make this a equal, just to make this a fair game for our cavemen. Might have to remove the dwarven minority here. Such a shame though, they're getting really advanced. Should I remove them, or should I just... I do believe that it's going to make things a lot more complicated, so yeah, we're going to remove this community right here, this pink one. Yep. Oh no. See, this is the problem. We're going to be starting war, so yeah, I have to remove them completely. So now it's time for our caveman minority. We're going to be creating them in a second here on this island. So advanced civilization versus caveman. How do we do that? Well, pluck out all resources, put them on a barren biome like this one. Put orcs. That's it. Building their own tribe now. Oh, they're building their own boat. Man. Shouldn't caveman have any, don't have any boats? Cavemen don't have any boats, right? Shouldn't cavemen not have any boats? Anyway, oh, they've started war already without my permission. You simulants, you were disobeying the rules of the system. I might have to destroy you with nuke if I want to, but yep, we will make these caveman minority OP. We gave them demigod-like durabilities. So let's see if the invading forces could withstand such powers. Haven't seen any combat yet. Just drizzle a little bit more of that good. Right. Oh, here goes the first invasion. Let's see how much of a difference as the demigod serum that I gave these cavemen. Man, their houses are just obliterated right now. Oh, that's why. I forgot to add the health to the caveman. So they now have the gene, the demigod gene, but they don't have the health. So, yeah, it's okay if we sprinkle a little bit of health to these advanced soldiers that are attacking them because they don't have the demigod serum, which means they're not going to be OP just by health alone. In order to activate the health, the OP, see them just wiping out the entire fleet here, the entire invading fleet, just because of the health that I added. So it activates the god serum. Oh, here goes another fleet. Once you give them the health. But if you don't have the god serum, you have health. You're basically just normal. You know what I mean? So let's see how this stacks up. This other invading force stack up to our caveman. Fast forward this a little bit. That's it. They've been wiped out completely. Wow. Would you look at that? That's it for the entire battle, and they've just completely wiped out foreign invaders. They're still a tribe, I believe. This is the god serum. This guy has 16 kills. This one has a lot of kills already. Kilograms here. We have this one has 6 kills, and Supposo has a lot of kills as well. So these guys are basically, this guy has 2 kills. That's lame, but these guys are basically OP because of the god serum that I gave them. So I do believe that they can stand up against a superpower, but you got to have the god serum in order for this to work. Now they could die, like for example, if I drop a bomb here, that doesn't mean that they're immortal. You could kill them. An overwhelming force could kill these beings, so you have to be really advanced. I just dropped a nuclear bomb, basically a SAR bomba on top of them. Oh, look at that, taking huge chunks of their lives. And also, yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching tech trick tutorials, and I hope you guys find this video entertaining. Have a nice day.